How to refer a friend on Expedia. Expedia's Refer a Friend program allows you to invite friends to join Expedia and earn rewards. Here's how it works. Share your unique referral link with friends. This can typically be found in your Expedia account under a referral or rewards section. When your friend uses your link to create a new Expedia account, they receive a coupon for a discount on a qualifying hotel booking. Your friend needs to make and complete a qualifying travel booking through Expedia. After your friend completes their travel, you'll receive a reward coupon for a discount on your next eligible hotel booking. You can refer multiple friends but can earn a limited number of rewards per year. The rewards may take up to 30 days to appear in your account. For exact details and to find your referral link, visit your local Expedia site or app under their referral program section. Thanks for watching.